After plants, we are going to study nutrition in animals. And first of all, we will study the steps in nutrition in animals. There are 5 steps in nutrition. And they are very easy to remember. Remember one word, Eid-I. Eid-I. I-D-A-A-E. I stands for ingestion. Ingestion means food is taken into the body. Food is taken into the body, that is called ingestion. Then digestion, conversion of food into simple soluble form. Whenever we take food, children, it is in complex form. We take all types of nutrients in it, and then it is complex, but it has to be converted into simple form and soluble. In what it should be soluble? It should be soluble in blood. That's why it is converted into simple soluble form by the process of digestion by our digestive system. Then absorption, transfer of soluble food into blood. That converted form of the food is absorbed. This simple and soluble form of food, it is absorbed in blood by the blood vessels, and it is given to the other parts of body by circulatory system. Then assimilation. After absorption, assimilation is the second A. Utilization of absorbed food by cells, by our tissues for energy production. It is no doubt, whenever we eat food, we feel energetic. For energy production, then growth of the body and repair of the damaged cells or tissues. Because of assimilation, it takes place. Then digestion. After all these processes, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, there is some waste product remaining behind, and this waste product is removed by the process of removed out of our body through some organs of excretion, and this process is called digestion. That means unwanted substances or waste products, they are given out through our body by the process of digestion. See, which are these? First one is ingestion, not injection. See the spelling, I-N-G-E-S-T-I-O-N. The same spelling of digestion is there, only DI, in place of DI there is I-N. Ingestion, because we are taking food inside our body through mouth, all animals. Then ingestion only in case of unicellular animals like this amoeba, paramecium. There are no such organs like mouth, and because they cannot take food in through mouth, they are having some other organs. Pseudopodia is there. Pseudopodia means they are having some organs they can contract, and they take the food inside, and there is process of digestion inside the body of that amoeba. Then in other animals it happens like this: digestion, pachan, absorption, shoshan, like that. Absorption and assimilation, there are 2 A here, and again the same spelling of digestion comes here in the last digestion, only in place of DI there is E. Digestion means giving out or removal of waste products or removal of unwanted substances from the body. It is also very important thing. Think, if there is no digestion, what will happen? The person will die after some time. That's why every process is very, very important. Remember this thing. Thank you.